Hey everyone, if your OnlyOffice presentation is not loading, gets stuck on a blank screen, or refuses to open, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes that can help you get your presentation working again. First, completely close OnlyOffice and open it again. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent presentations from loading properly. Next, try opening a different presentation file. Yeah, this helps determine whether the problem is with one file or the application itself. If you're using OnlyOffice online, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, connection problems can interrupt file loading. Make sure you have permission to access the presentation. So, restricted sharing settings may prevent the file from opening. If you're using the web version, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted data can sometimes interfere with loading. Some browser extensions may block scripts required by OnlyOffice. Yeah, temporarily disabling them can help identify the issue. Make sure you're using the latest version of OnlyOffice. Updates often include fixes for file compatibility problems. If the presentation came from another source, try downloading it again. I mean, the original file may be incomplete or corrupted. If presentation still won't load, reinstall OnlyOffice completely. So a fresh installation can repair damaged application files. If you're using a cloud workspace, there could be a temporary server issue. Yeah, waiting a few minutes and trying again may solve the problem. If nothing works, contact OnlyOffice support for additional help. They may be able to identify file-specific or account-related problems. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice presentation not loading problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.